Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MYSZ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a couple weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis on a very routine basis. In fact, I did it yesterday, so that is where these green and red line annotations are coming from. And on that note, not a whole lot to update. In fact, I don't plan on doing any more updates unless something happens. So that brings up the very valid and logical question, well, how are you defining quote-unquote something happening? Well, essentially what has occurred is that the price has entered into this channel, between these couple lines right here, and the past couple of days have just really past 2.5 days have just been going back and forth. If anything, we've definitely gotten a lot of confirmation that this level that I've talked about in the past, that red line right there, truly is a level of resistance at about $1.60, because once again today, price several times got up right around that area and couldn't quite push through. So $1.60 confirmed as that level of resistance. And in other words, the top of the channel. Bottom of the channel down here, we have right around the $1.10-ish area, $1.15, give or take a little bit. But again, until something happens, and what would be something happening? Well, either a breakout to the upside of the pattern, or B, a breakdown to the downside of the pattern. There's really not much else to talk about unless I just come back here and say the same thing over and over again in regards to the channel. So until something happens, yeah, all I can really say is currently it's a channel pattern, top of the channel, up here at $1.60 resistance, bottom of the channel down here at $1.15, and that's the area of support. And you just got to sit back and wait for something to happen. Maybe that'll happen tomorrow and close out the week, but as it stands right now, volume has dropped off that much more. So it seems as though interest is kind of disappearing, but we'll see how it all unfolds to close out the week tomorrow. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.